You guys want me to fix your damn knees too? All right, pay attention. I just have, it could be any kind of band, guys. It doesn't really matter. Wrap it around something. It doesn't matter what it is. I'll show you on my left leg since that's closest to you. I just step into the bands, okay? So all I'm doing is I'm just locking my knee. So the band is on the back of my knee, obviously. I step back a little bit. Can you see my heel is up? Now I just push my heel down. Push my heel down. As I push my heel down, I lock my knee. I flex my quad. So I lock my knee, flex my quad. Lock my knee, flex my quad. So I let my heel come up, lock my knee, flex my quad. Lock my knee, flex my quad. This is a high rep exercise. You'll start to feel the burn in your quads. Some of you need to do this. Most people are turning their knees in when they squat, when they lunge, when they do exercises. I talked about this in a separate video. You need to get your knee out. So I push against the band, push against the band, push against the band. You can do this while you squat. So if you notice that when you squat, your knees turn in, you're just gonna have an ACL problem. Big toe is down. As you squat back, you push your knees out. So you can do this where you put the band around both of your knees basically, and as you squat, your big toes are down and you push your knees out. But don't, when you squat, don't push your knees forward, guys. Push your butt back and open your knees. Number 2, grab something. It doesn't matter, you can do this on a door where you grab both doorknobs. You just grab anything. Get close. I'm just on the banister. You lean back. You go into full flexion in the kneecaps. Notice I'm not pushing my knee forward because I don't want to put pressure in that patella. So I come all the way down and I come all the way up. All the way down. I'm leaning back. I pause at the bottom. You'll feel a nice stretch in your knees, in your back. Come all the way up. If you feel pain here, obviously don't do it, but also make sure you're not shooting your knees forward like that. You lean back, heels down, come all the way down, get the full flexion in your knees at the bottom. Nice and tall in your spine. Push through your feet, get your butt back to stand from the top, okay? Easy way to bulletproof your knees. That gets rid of a lot of problems. Try those. Have a good day, everybody.